Good morning, everyone. Here is the topic: utilization of electrical energy and the traction.
Start.
Electrical heating. Electrical heating is a process of which electrical energy is converted to heat energy. Commonly, application includes the space heating, cooking water, and the heating and industrial process. And the electric heating is an electrical device that connects as the electric current into heat. The electrical heating an element inside every electric heater is an electrical sensor.
Start.
Here is the method of heat transfer. The first is conduction, second is the conversion, second is the radiation. First, here is the shown in the picture. The convection is here our kettle is the heating the power, and then the conduction, there is the reduction. The heating is the processing of flowing water. Electric resistance heating. Electric resistance heating is the heat produced by the passing an electric current through a material that preferably has high resistance. As the current pass through the material, ohmic losses, I2R losses occur. These losses occur the conversion of the electrical energy to into heat. There is the light, the processing, and the heating.
Start.
High frequency heating. Radio frequency and the micro are the sometimes used as the alternative to convert the conductive and the radiant heat transfer for the processing of the non-metals. Here is the process our through the heating object, conduct code, and the ED current. The current passes through the line and the current management. Industries are making use of these techniques include the textile paper, food, plastic, and the chemicals. The applications are made varied, including drying, baking, deforesting, and the welding of the polymerization. Dielectric heating. Dielectric heating is also known as electronics heating, radio frequency heating, and the high frequency heating. That is the process which is radio frequency RF. We call the RF radio frequency. And then alternating electric field or radio wave and microwave. Electromagnetic radio heats and the dielectric material. At the higher frequency, this heating is the